Today, I'm going to show you how to use Vocal Bender by Waves. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. First, I'm going to enable Fine, set my dry and wet mix to around 35%, and our amplitude, we'll tie it to the pitch. We'll set this to amplitude, set this to pitch. We'll reduce our formant a little bit to around minus 120 cents. I'm going to adjust my rate to an eighth note. I'll set that to half. I am going to set another one, keep the pitch as is, leave the amplitude as is. We'll set our rate to 16th. For the second LFO, we will load this. We'll invert that phase, 0.5, smoothen that out, so we'll set it to 120. I'll set it to 2B. And we'll tie our first LFO to our mix button. And we're ready to listen to it. Here is again before. After. I'm gonna solo the bass so you can hear what we've done. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.